Dark cloudy days. What you doing? Let's see.
Hello, have you seen the weather today?
I can't see here then. Okay. Play it and let's see.
Okay, it's recording us. Yeah, yeah.
Dark cloudy days. How are you doing? Dark cloudy days. How are you doing?
Oh, I'm not doing so well, I'm afraid.
Those cumulus clouds, they look good. They look like puffs of cotton with a flat bottom.
Kind of like my hair.
Status. Hang low in the sky.
Yeah, well, it's going to be wet today. I think some thunder and lightning.
As a flat and featureless layer like you, Trump.
Well,
When-
sometimes I'm like that, yes.
When the clouds are white, they're nearer, and this means it's good weather.
That
The
lady's
clouds-
got a cloud on her head. Look at her.
It's a very white cloud.
What does the future hold?
A gloomy day.
Yes, it is. It is. It's
Stars are seen on the
It's going
dreary
to rain. I
overcast
think it
days.
will rain. Look, can you see the lightning? I see the lightning. Oh, look at him.
Well, Auckland's getting more beautiful now.
Hello.
I've been to Auckland.
And looking at hello, everybody. You realize my
And-
hair looks like cumulus, flat and featureless.
Yeah. Not as dark as Obama's.
Oh, yeah, heavy snow clouds, stormy thunder clouds. Look at my bright red here. The sun's been through there.
Yeah.
And the climate change in the States is better than that in Auckland at the moment, I think.
But particularly because I'm there now.
Oh. Should we play it?
I'm not for climate change.
No, you're
I
snowing.
swear.
Yeah. You shouldn't be snowing on his head. Looks like a big puffy cloud too, doesn't it?
Stop and listen.
You don't have to fill the whole thing. Let's see what's happening.
I swear to not rain on anybody in the United States.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's
And
probably
you
not.
can take me to court on that.
Yeah.
I can predict heavy rain on the White House.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. Obama.
We haven't heard heavy rain on White House so far.
Oh, he's commenting my hair. Thank you very much.
So that's
Yes.
stratus cumulus.
Well, it could be serious curly hair cloud.